Vivo has made inroads in the local smartphone market since its official debut in 2019. Vivo recently introduced the Vivo V25e in South Africa, bringing more flagship device options to the local market. The 64MP camera with OIS captures every moment in sharp detail at night. Vivo offers bokeh flare, which can blur out your background, separating the subject from the background in clear detail. The upgraded extended RAM 3.0 lets you switch between apps with ease and brings new smoothness to your game. Game Boost mode concentrates all available power into your game. With up to 44 watts wired charging, it takes minutes to top up. The V25 comes with cutting-edge camera technologies, a color-changing rear panel, and strong capabilities that deliver robust performance.